This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Apple Watch band. First, identify the top and bottom of your watch and the corresponding ends of your band. Each band piece has a specific orientation, so make sure it's facing the right way up. Gently slide one end of the band into its slot on the watch until you hear a satisfying click, indicating it's securely in place. This initial step is crucial for a proper fit. To attach the first piece, hold your Apple Watch with the display facing you. Take one half of your band and align its connector with one of the two slots on the watch casing. Make sure the side with the release button is facing away from the watch. Slide it in smoothly. You should feel a slight resistance and then hear a distinct click, confirming it's locked. Do not force it if it doesn't slide easily. Now, let's secure the second band piece. Take the remaining half of your band and align it with the other slot on your Apple Watch. Just like before, ensure the correct orientation. Gently slide it into place until you hear that reassuring click. Both band pieces should now be flush with the watch casing, with no gaps. A secure connection is vital for comfort and to prevent accidental detachment during daily activities. For a final check, gently tug on both ends of your connected band. It should feel firm and not show any signs of loosening. If a band doesn't slide in easily, don't force it. Recheck its orientation. Regularly cleaning the band slots with a soft, dry cloth can prevent debris from hindering a proper connection. Enjoy your securely attached Apple Watch band.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.